Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 31st of December 2023 and I will be going over the results of my front testing strategy from the option chain analysis for SPX, and then there's also a video going to be coming out about Tesla, so watch out for that one as well. So I did mention in my short that from now on we're going to be changing the approach, and every week it's going to be, instead of monthly expiries, it's going to be weekly, and we are going to be testing the prediction whether it came true or not. So this is the latest prediction. Now we can see, so this date is actually wrong, it's the 26th, but the weekly open for SPX was 4,758.86. The prediction last week was that SPX goes up, purely from option chain analysis, and the weekly close was 4,769.83. So our P&L this week was 10.97. Now we are not including transaction costs or anything, but just raw weekly P&L percentage is 0.23%, and obviously right now the cumulative P&L percent is the same. So this is just a short video going over the results of that prediction, and obviously coming from now, every single video that I make on option chain analysis will have a direct implication on this as well, since we are front testing the methods of option chain analysis. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and have an amazing New Year's.